West meets him, and one for LA. There's the call. Powerful move by Aldridge.
I actually didn't think that one was a foul. To be honest with you, it looks to me like David West comes into him, keeps his hands and his arms vertical, maybe jumped into LaMarcus in that situation. Looks like pretty solid D, but I'm not going to argue with the officials. Not on that one anyways.
Put that claw.
Got a little help from Pop and company, lobbying for a couple fouls there.
Aldridge to the rescue, and the Spurs have the lead again.
Patty Mills drops it back to LA. Little one dribble to his left fadeaway. Deadly shot for LA.
Murray the steal, ahead to Anderson. He's got Aldridge, back to Anderson. LA, yes!
You know Kyle was throwing that ball back. Right, good steal there, advances it neatly to Kyle Anderson. 1, 2, 3 passes in the open court. And LaMarcus.
Aldridge. Double team, he swings through. 2 more for Aldridge.
That was a poor angle on that double team. He splits 2 defenders.
Patty swings it back. Murray, three-pointer. Mills, no. LA, thank you. Aldridge owning the fourth quarter. He gives it off to DeJounte Murray.
It'll take some time here, but you got a wide open layup.
Green, corner 3. Tar Heel triple! Yes!
We all know he's not afraid to take the tough one in crunch time. Gutsy shot there.
Cook. McCaw. Aldridge says, get it out of here. Kyle Anderson. Murray. Back to Green. Another one. Off the iron. Taken by Murray, looking back to Aldridge against McGee. No double team yet.
That's a tough shot there.
Yeah, McGee.
McGee's got a lot of length and athleticism. He's like trying to shoot over the top of Anthony Davis, one of those guys.
And then he takes off for the dunk to make it 75-69. 6 in the quarter. Aldridge with 9 of those 14 points. Make it 11. And now 27 on the night for LA. Spurs back up by 8, 77-6 is 9th. He and Anderson 9 each. Spurs have out-rebounded the Warriors by 9. Manu bounces it in. LA, he is fouled. What a pass from Ginobili. And even though LA knew it was coming, I don't know if he knew it was coming that way.
No, I don't think he did, because otherwise he was in a great position to throw it down. Sneaky, and the only thing that saved Bell there is that he got off the ground before LA.
It kicks it off, Kyle Anderson. Plenty of time still. Mills fires. Too hard. Manu and Aldridge fighting over it.
That ball's still a little early in the clock for me, to be honest with you, Bill. We saw Pop have to tell his guys last game to run some clock.
Mills, Aldridge. This guy is a monster. It should be LaMonster, not LaMarcus. Huh? This guy has got 17 of the Spurs' 20 in the quarter.
Yeah. What we said earlier, that he's got to play big. That's exactly what he's done in this homestand. He's one Spurs player that's come home and gotten nice and fat at home. He's fed on some home cooking. He's filled up. And this is more like it here. You take your time, shoot the clock, shoot the ball with about 8 seconds left on the shot clock. You limit the Warriors' possessions. You get a bucket out of it, and you shorten up the game. Keep them from coming back, getting to the free throw line, or getting a shot on.
The right guys were shooting for the Spurs there in the fourth. The BMW Luxury Weekend Sweepstakes is available. Make sure you enter. You can win a BMW for a weekend Spurs versus Rockets tickets and a one-night hotel stay. All courtesy of BMW of San Antonio. Enter at Spurs.com/BMW. Contest will end at midnight Friday. You know, but and I know Phoenix is not a defensive team, but they had 124 against Phoenix. The Spurs hold them to 75. They played solid D, even though they were crippled. And Pop and Steve Kerr, longtime buddies, Mike Brown, of course, former Spurs assistant, out there with him as the Spurs go to 41-30, 27-8 at home with 5 home games remaining and 5 left on the road.